journey back to a time when human ambition touched the heavens. These are the 7 wonders of the ancient world, monuments of power, faith, and engineering that defined the limits of the possible. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu around 2560 BCE, it is the oldest and only surviving member of the original 7. While we see it today as jagged brown stone, it was once encased in Tura limestone, polished so finely that it gleamed like a mirror under the desert sun. At its very peak sat the pyramidion, a capstone likely covered in gold or electrum, designed to catch the first and last rays of light. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon. King Nebuchadnezzar II is said to have built this lush paradise for his wife, Amytis, who longed for the green mountains of her homeland. It appeared as a series of ascending brick terraces rising like a green mountain 75 feet into the air. The structure featured an advanced irrigation system using bronze screw pumps and hidden conduits to pull water from the Euphrates River to feed exotic flora in the middle of a desert empire. The statue of Zeus at Olympia, created by the master sculptor Phidias in 435 BCE. This figure was the physical presence of a god. Standing 40 feet tall, the statue was made of ivory for the skin and hammered gold for the robes. Zeus sat on a throne of cedarwood inlaid with ebony and precious stones. It was said that if the god had stood up, he would have unroofed the temple. The Temple of Artemis at Ephesus. A temple so magnificent that it was said to outshine even the clouds, this was the first Greek temple built entirely of marble. It featured 127 massive columns, each 60 feet high, with 36 of them intricately carved with life-sized reliefs at their base. It was nearly double the size of the Parthenon in Athens, serving as both a religious sanctuary and a marketplace. The Mausoleum at Halicarnassus, built for Mausolus, a ruler of Caria, this tomb was so influential that his name became the root of the word mausoleum. It combined a massive Egyptian-style base, a Greek-style colonnade of 36 columns, and a 24-step stepped pyramid roof. At the very top stood a colossal marble chariot pulled by 4 horses, carrying the statues of Mausolus and his wife, Artemisia. The Colossus of Rhodes. A giant bronze tribute to the sun god Helios, this statue was built to celebrate a military victory and stood 110 feet tall. It was constructed of bronze plates over a skeleton of iron and stone, roughly the same height as the modern Statue of Liberty. It stood on a high pedestal overlooking the sea, greeting every ship that entered the harbour. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, the first lighthouse in the world, and for centuries one of the tallest man-made structures in existence. It rose in 3 distinct stages: a square base, an octagonal middle, and a circular top. At its summit, a massive mirror of polished bronze reflected sunlight by day and fire by night, making its light visible to sailors up to 30 miles away. Conclusion: earthquakes, fire, and the passage of time claimed all but one. Yet, through art and history, these wonders continue to stand as a testament to the eternal human spirit.